I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. Today's episode is a sneak peek behind the scenes at our Bolton, Massachusetts kitchen renovation as we are installing the full quartzite backsplash at this beautiful kitchen. You are not going to want to miss this episode. There's also a behind the scenes on the building of the fireplace mantle, as it is a job site, and at a job site there are always surprises and there's always something happening, and this episode is promising to be just like that. Let's take a look. Hello, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens, reporting from our lovely Bolton, Massachusetts kitchen renovation. And today, very exciting, we're putting on the full quartzite backsplash in this kitchen, and we are going to show you the process of doing that. But before we get there, I'm going to take you into the living room because Abe is building on site the mantle for the fireplace, and that is going to look fantastic. So if you follow me, I'll show you. Now, this is what you call a master carpenter. He's building the fireplace mantle. Oh, look at that.
Não, deitado não, tem que ser em pé. Também não vai dar agora, né? Vai lá dentro.
With that wire in the way, I can grab it.
Vai.
Here, I'll get it.
Ai não. Esse é o problema aqui. Aham, assim. Tô querendo levantar ela. It's fine, no.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Pega pra gente o gorila lá, então. Deixa eu ver. É só o gorila, a gente põe aqui. Na verdade, bota ele aqui, ó. À frente do.
You need to turn it back a little bit.
I need to raise it up just a little bit on the front because the front is a little bit lower than the back, and the stone is touching here. I'm gonna put a machine here and lift it up just a little bit, like.
That stone is so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
This is
It
really
is.
beautiful. When you look at it on the video, it looks like it's darker, but it's actually pretty light. It's called Cash White.
Yeah. Se tivesse pesado, né?
So if you want to show it from another angle, to just pushing the, just slightly.
Vamos tirar. Deixa eu ver. Peraí. Vamos deixar a perna mais lá também. Cadê a outra gordura? Por baixo? Acho que vai ser mais fácil. Vamos tentar. Você deita. Passou? Pega. Assim, tem que virar ela para a parte de virar para não ficar grudado. Eu te esperar que eu faça uma situação. Pegar o seu checar, eu acho que isso vai ser. Não precisa. Segura aí só. Olha, não. Vou ter que ligar, tá? Espera aqui. Espera um pouquinho. Levanta mais. Ok. Hold on. Segura aí. Conseguiu. Tem que ser lá por trás? Não. Vai.
It's very tight.
Yeah. You can never take that out.
No, no.
Not after that. I mean, you could take it out without.
Okay. Oh boy.
That's actually a pretty good tool.
Yeah.
I like that.
And push up the cabinet a little bit so they can fit in.
Hey, Jackie, that is the true wall stretcher.
I know.
Estourar dentro um pouquinho.
Push it in.
Aí vai.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Don't worry, we were told the wall is not
Yeah, it's not
completely
straight.
straight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I mean, ready for the other one. This has been the edited version of our live stream that we published a few weeks back of our amazing kitchen renovation project in Bolton, Massachusetts. If you feel like you want to watch the full episode, please do that on our live stream. I also I encourage you that if you like the content, please subscribe to our channel, as that helps us continue to get reach on YouTube and continue to grow as we are growing our channel. And I thank you so much for tuning in, and I thank you for subscribing.
Okay.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. That was fantastic. But I want to thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Bye.